Attending a forklift training school usually costs between $50 and $200, but how can you be sure you're choosing the right one? Not all schools are created equal. Some will take your money and leave you unqualified. Before you sign up, watch this. You might be about to make a costly mistake. First things first, where do you actually go to get trained? You've got a few solid options: community colleges, local trade schools, technical and job placement centers, and even equipment rental companies. These guys are pros at forklift training. It's what they do. That means you're learning from people who really know their stuff, which gives you a big advantage when it's time to get hired. Before you jump in, let's talk about what OSHA actually requires, because it's a big deal. A legit forklift training course isn't just about sitting in a classroom. It should include 3 parts: classroom training, hands-on practice, and a performance evaluation. If any of those are missing, the course doesn't meet OSHA standards. So when you're choosing a training school, make sure all 3 are part of the program. Now here's where a lot of people get stuck: picking the right training school. Not all of them are created equal, so it's worth taking a closer look before signing up. First, make sure the program is OSHA-compliant. Here's what OSHA requires under 29 CFR 1910.178. You must be trained before operating a forklift. The training should match the type of forklift and your actual workplace. It must be done by someone with the proper knowledge, training, and experience. And yes, your training must be documented. That's the OSHA baseline. No shortcuts. Let's be real. Forklift training isn't free, so don't just guess the cost. Ask upfront, what's the total price? It should have no hidden fees. And while you're at it, check if the training school offers payment plans or discounts. Another thing to think about is class size. If the class size is small, that's a big win. You get more one-on-one time with the instructor, more chances to ask questions, and more hands-on practice. It just makes learning way easier. Next, take a look at the equipment they're using. Is it modern and well-maintained? You don't want to train on old junk. It's better to learn on the same kind of forklifts you'll actually be using on the job. Job placement help is a nice bonus. Some schools will actually connect you with employers after you finish training, and that can really give you a head start when you're just getting into the field. And finally, think about location. The closer it is to you, the easier it'll be to show up, focus, and get it done, without spending hours on the road. At the end of the day, choosing the right school isn't just about getting certified. It's about making sure you're safe, confident, and ready for the job. Don't just go with the cheapest. Go with the one that sets you up for success. Want to learn more? Browse all our topics on forklift training and get the info you need to get certified, stay safe, and land that job.